I had to get this list. So I will take another 5 minutes of your precious time. Now, intentionally, I have done this. I have not been doing the driving of traffic to this particular video that I had made an important announcement for my 46 subscribers, existing subscribers. I did not do the driving of traffic, and I'm going to watch it for some more days, which means that all the views that are coming is a result of my hard work on various social media platforms. There are about 18 ways of driving traffic to your channel. So those whose name I did not mention, please do not feel offended, because see the there are various ways in which I got some of the subscribers. जिन लोगों का नाम मैंने नहीं लिया उस वीडियो में नाराज ना हो, क्योंकि मुझे वो लिस्ट चाहिए था, उसको मुझे वेरियस सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके वो नाम सब लेके आने थे. दे आर ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. वो लोग भी बहुत महत्व रखते हैं मेरे लिए. सबको मैं बहुत याद करती हूँ. तो पहले नाम बोलूंगी, उनका नाम मुझे नहीं पता. आई डोंट नो द नेम ऑफ दिस पर्सन. द चैनल्स नेम इज सिमी कौर स्टाइल. Okay, we were all, a lot of people were chatting in the comment section on one of the channels. All of them, all were exchanging subscription. So in that process, I gave a subscription to the Simico style, and they gave me one subscription to Simico's. They gave me one subscription. तो ये दो चैनल्स हम दोनों ने एक्सचेंज किया. वो लोग देखते या नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. तो कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो शायद सब्सक्राइब किए हों पर ना देखते हों, बिकॉज वो एक छोटी सी लड़की है, वो क्या देखेगी मेरा माय चैनल. ओके, सो दैट पर्सन, some people are there who may not watch my channel because this person is a small girl. What she will watch my channel? 3 people, Amit, Sushil and Rakesh, all of them I met on a day when, after such a long time, nearly 2-3 hours, and still not even one recording done. इन तीनों को मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती. अमित, सुशील एंड राकेश, ये तीनों मुझे उस टाइम मिले जब बहुत देर तक कोई भी नहीं मिला था. तो हम बहुत भावुक हो जाते हैं. आई गेट इमोशनल ऑन थिंकिंग ऑफ दीज पीपल. अच्छा, कुछ सब्सक्राइबर्स मुझे ऐसे भी मिले जैसे Twiggy Tomato. You understand who it is, Twiggy and Tomato. I did not spare even these people when they came to deliver food packets. I just requested them, these people, they are very awesome. Without asking, without any means, yeah, I asked without any problem. They subscribed, but they said maybe we may not be able to watch. जो डिलीवरी बॉयज फूड पैकेट लेके आते हैं, ट्विगी टोमेटो टाइप के लोग, उनको भी मैंने सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए मांगा, और उन्होंने बिना वाद विवाद किए मुझे सब्सक्राइब कर दिया. पर ये बोलते थे कि शायद हम देख ना पाए, टाइम नहीं मिलता है. Wherever I met some people, like it just happened by chance. Nepali boy was there in the car park. I just asked, भैया YouTube देखते हो? He said yes. Subscribe करोगे? He the reply was, he just threw the cell phone because many cars were coming and he had to direct those cars, and he said, you subscribe, you do it, I will check which is the channel, I will know which channel you subscribe. So some subscribers I have even got in this manner. I will never forget my 46th subscriber. मैं 46th subscriber जो उनको कभी नहीं भूलूंगी. It's very amazing, the way I got this subscription. Many people were chatting on Barka Dutt's video. It was not her video, one of her assistant. बरकादत के चैनल पे उनके असिस्टेंट का कोई वीडियो था, बहुत से लोग चैट कर रहे थे वहां पे. आई जस्ट वेंट टू post my poster, like posting a link of our YouTube channel, that I call it going and sticking a poster on other channels. मैं अपना लिंक वहां डालने गई और इस चैट में मैं भी शामिल हो गई. And I requested 2 people on that chat, can you please watch this video? Okay, that was Anup, and the other person's name is Trolika Devi. I think it's a fake name. I think she trolls people and that's why she has named herself. Well, I don't know what it is. तो ये 2 लोग थे, अनूप था उनका नाम और ट्रोलिका देवी था उनका नाम. ये नेम शायद असली नाम नहीं हो सकता है. शायद ये बहुत ट्रोल करती है लोगों को, तो अपना नाम ऐसे ट्रोलिका बना लिया होगा. ये दोनों लोग रात में मेरे चैनल पे आके वीडियो देख के कमेंट भी छोड़ कर गए, आप चेक भी कर सकते हैं. So these 2 people were good enough to come to my channel, view it, and also put a comment. So after many days, I asked Anu, can you subscribe? It's easy to find people. You know, I just went to his channel and I came to know that, yeah, he has also tried his hand at YouTube. I just put a comment on his channel and that is how I found him back after many days. And yes, he subscribed. I was very grateful for that. And of course, in Facebook, there are, and nowadays I'm very busy on Facebook trying to increase people. I wade through millions of people. फेसबुक पे आजकल मैं काम कर रही हूँ, बहुत से लोगों से मैं बात करती हूँ वहाँ पे, तो वहां से 3 सब्सक्रिप्शन मिले मुझे. तो फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो आई गॉट 3 सब. इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं बहुत दिन पहले कुछ लोगों से बात कर रही थी. मैं केवल ऑनलाइन प्रश्न पूछ के रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए ये इंतजाम कर रही थी. Many days before I even uploaded my first video, I was talking to some people on Instagram to arrange for people to answer question online. I sent messages to 25 people, 15 replied. ओके 25 लोगों को भेजा मैसेज और 15 लोगों ने जवाब दिया, पर उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम था, कुछ लोगों को प्रॉब्लम था. Many people had problems, so I just started talking only about the problems. I did not ask anything else. But 2 people from there on their own, they subscribed. One is Sumit and the other is an organization. So I have 2 organizations also who have subscribed. Some music channel is there. वो YouTube से आया मुझे एक सब्सक्रिप्शन. और LinkedIn का तो मैं क्या बोलूं आपको. LinkedIn is so good. We have lot of interactions and discussions. They're very intelligent people. बहुत अच्छे लोग वहाँ बहुत वार्तालाप करते रहते हैं. तो उनमें से मुझे कम से कम 3 मिले. दूसरे लोगों का नाम मैं नहीं जानती क्योंकि बहुत दिन पहले का. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम्स ऑफ people because it is very long back, but I remember Rakesh. His name is Rakesh Das. Some people, their phone settings is public. In that case, I come to know the name of the subscriber. उनका नाम राकेश दास है. वो सब्सक्रिप्शन मुझे लिंक्डइन से मिला. कुछ फोन का सेटिंग पब्लिक अगर होता है तो उनका नाम भी मुझे यूट्यूब के जो एनालिटिक्स है वहां दिख जाता है. तो इस तरह से बहुत तरह के जगह से मुझे सब्सक्रिप्शन मिले. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू ईच वन ऑफ देम. हाउ कैन आई नॉट मेंशन माय वेरी फर्स्ट सब्सक्राइबर? That was my uncle, Jay Seelan uncle. He has come back from Caribbean islands to India for good. When I just did not have any subscribers, that time he subscribed and encouraged me. And the last person, the 50th person, it's again very amazing how it happened. It was a video on YouTube. People were watching the dance Thriller, a song from Thriller, and it was not about the song actually. It was about overcoming the fear, like what will people think? How can I behave in this way? It was regarding that, a scene from a movie. Many people had commented, only one person comment I liked very much, and so I just appreciated it. That person replied back saying thank you. So I asked that person to subscribe, and he subscribed. Name is Man Ki Bakwas. So I think that's awesome for a 50th subscriber. Now, how can I not mention one more platform, social media platform that is there, and that is Quora, which is a question answer website. Here we cannot put the links of our YouTube videos, but you have to create a space and put it there. Maybe in due course of time, a lot of people may come to that space, and we can get some views and subscribers from there also. Each and every person, I'm trying to list them up in this pictorial representation. Everybody is important. If I miss some names, no, they do come to the mind at times, but at this moment I'm not able to recall, but I am compensating by putting it up here in this slide. That will be a right decision. हाँ हाँ चौंका दिया. हाँ to break away एक टाइम टेबल से हटके जीना, रूटीन से हटके जीना, वो सही डिसीजन, वो सही